Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhayyo and today we'll be talking about fully funded scholarship in Turkey. Turkey scholarship or Türkiye bursları in Turkish is provided by the Turkish government to international students and it's available for undergraduate, master and doctoral programs. I was lucky to get this scholarship in 2019 and study PhD at Ankara University. In this video, we'll talk about the main features of the scholarship, deadlines, application package, and the interview process. The first thing that you have to know that scholarship is available for almost all the programs. It includes art, science, and humanities. So you will find your program there for sure. The second thing that you have to know about the scholarship is the point of being fully funded scholarship. I would say double fully funded because it covers not only your tuition fee, your insurance, they provide with accommodation, you will get monthly stipend, but also you will get a ticket from your home country to Turkey and you will get 2 times food at your dormitory. Okay, talking about the application process. You will apply through a specific platform that is designed for Turkey scholarship. I will share with you the link below and you can see it also. So talking about the application deadline, you have to be very careful here because you will have only 1 month to apply for the scholarship. It will be January 10th until February 20th. After you apply for the scholarship, you have to wait for a while because you will hear from the scholarship providers in June or maximum July, and if your application was successful you will be invited for the interview. Interview is not online. Very surprising because usually interviews for scholarships are held online, but in this case you will be invited to the embassy of Turkey in your country. The interview will last for from 15 to 20 minutes and you will get the offer if your application was successful in August. And starting from middle of August, you will be getting ready to go to Turkey. Talk about the language of instruction. Most of the programs that is provided by Türkiye bursları are taught in Turkish, but there are of course available programs in English. So if you're applying for English program, you have to provide an IELTS certificate. This is must. But if you're applying for Turkish programs, you don't need to provide your IELTS certificate. Talking about the duration of the programs, usually if you're applying for Turkish programs, the programs that are taught in Turkish, you will have 1 year Turkish preparation course, and after that your actual program will start. So if your program is 4 years, for example, if you apply for bachelor degrees, then +1 you have to study 5 years. If you applied for a master degree, 2 years, +1 3 years. So you have to consider this also. I will share in my future videos about the application process in more details, what you have to prepare, how you have to prepare your application package so to be successful in this scholarship. Okay, in general, this program is really interesting and really beneficial for the international students. If you consider this program, I highly recommend you, and of course you can choose the cities and universities where you want to apply and where you want to study, and while distributing the students, they will take into account your choice. I hope that this video was useful for you. Stay tuned because in my next videos I will share in more details about these scholarships and about the application package for these scholarships. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.